Hey guys, Ryan with the Driven Channel. I'm back with my first in a new series of sketch garage videos. I call it a new series because I've got a new sketch garage. So tiny little one car garage that pretty much I would say is even smaller than your average house owner or renter's garage. And I'm going to start working on my Mark IV GTI out of it. So today I'm going to show you how to change a light bulb. You know, I saw some Mark IV light bulb videos on YouTube, and they seem to be lacking some stuff. I did a video on my Mark VII, my first one, my black car, the one that had halogen light bulbs, and I thought it was kind of funny because the two steps that kind of stood out to my mind were remove the rubber and use the paddle. And you'll have to go back and see that video. I'll put a link below. But anyway, I found that there was a distinct lack of humor in those videos, so I'm going to make a video right now, and we're going to talk about how to do it on a Mark IV. So this morning I was on my way to work, and I got behind a truck, and I realized how annoying it is whenever you pull up behind a vehicle and realize one of your headlights is out. So I'm going to change out both side headlights, because these are kind of, I'll probably need to actually resurface the headlights on these, because you can see they're really foggy. This is a $1,500 car, so we'll do that on another video, but I'm trying to put the best bulbs I can possibly put in here. So I got the Sylvania Silver Star H7s. I'll put the part number down below as well, but we're gonna change those out here on this car. Now the first step is I put my cell phone light somewhere where the camera can actually see what's going on. Hopefully I don't lose my phone in the process. Oh, hey, look at that. Okay. So there's this bar right here. Now, I am about as wide as it gets, so I don't really have good bars, but this Mark IV does have a bar, and you just kind of pop it out of the way. And of course it's going to fight me. Kind of rotates and pop it out of the way. Now this thing almost jumps off. It's got a plastic backing plate here, and you kind of just take that and you pull that out. Now, I'm not the best at pulling out, but that was pretty easy. Okay, we get down in here, and we can see, I'm going to go upside down on you, where the bulb is right there, and there's a little wire that kind of holds the bulb in. I'm going to have to kind of squeeze my hand down in here to get it done, because Volkswagens are a tight fit. That's what she said. So I hate these ones with the little bars on it, with the little wires on them, because you never quite get them and get to jiggle them around. Of course, I am good at jiggling around. Okay, kind of pop that up, pop that back, and of course it still doesn't come off. There we go. Okay, and when you do that, the whole light bulb assembly and everything pops. Yeah, it just pops right out, just really easily. Again, I said I'm not very good at pulling out, and this kind of proves that. Okay, so apparently I should have pulled this two-prong connector off before. So I'm going to do that off camera because I'm an idiot. Alright, sorry about that, guys. I needed both hands because the hole was just too tight. And there goes my cell phone going off. Yeah, perfectly opportune time. So this actually you should pull off before you take the little wire off. It just comes out easier that way. But once the connector's off, the headlight literally just pulls out. And again, I'm not very good at pulling out, but that was probably the best you'll ever see me do. So I'm going to run over there. I'm going to need my second hand to grab the bulb. I'll be right back, and I'll show you how to put it all back together. And then it's just exactly the same thing for the other side, except of course it looks like, yeah, there's a battery kind of in the way, so we may have to do something about that. But right now, we're just doing the right headlight. Got it! Okay, blah, 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 yada, yada, don't touch the glass or else the bulb burns out sooner, blah, blah, blah. These were $50-something for a pair of bulbs, so I'm definitely not going to do that. And you'll see there's a little tab at the top. That little tab you actually have to put into the slot at the top. It goes at the very top. It's really super easy. You kind of have to feel around for it, though, and since it's a tight hole, it's not easy to feel around in. That's what she said. Alright. My phone is blowing up tonight. Once we get that popped in there, we get the little wire, and we have to kind of feel around to get the little wire clipped back in place, which of course it's not wanting to do too easily because nothing ever goes right, especially when you are videotaping it. So again, I'm going to need both hands for this. I'll be right back. Alright, so the clip just kind of pops back on the way it came off. Okay, sorry about the lighting. I had to use my cell phone now as the camera because the video camera died. Of course it did. Anyway, you can't really see anything at all right now, but basically there's a little slot. You put the plastic thing back in, you clip this, you step back, and you got to go over to the car to actually turn the headlights on. So let's do that. See you next time. Bye-bye.